Yeah, hi, good evening, everyone. Welcome to our AllPro trainings for free webinar for Salesforce training. I'm audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Thanks for confirming. So next we are going to see today's webinar overview, that is the agenda. So participate introduction for 5 minutes and webinar content for 45 minutes. And queries, query resolving session is 20 minutes and student guide explanation is 5 minutes. And APT offer, what are the offers we are giving to you for 5 minutes, that is the explanation. And queries and feedback is 5 minutes. Totally the overall webinar planned to 70 minutes. So let's start the webinar. Before going that, I will explain our about AllPro trainings. So AllPro training is an online platform that offers technology training and soft skill training to students, freshers, and experienced professionals to advance their careers. We have students from major cities in India as well as the United States, the United Kingdom, Australia, Singapore, and other European countries. Our vision is to provide the professional training to more than 10 million people all over the world, worldwide. So we are offering the courses is IT, electrical and electronic courses and soft skill courses. So, so what we do is we are providing 3 types of training. One is individual training and another one is corporate training and college trainings. So individual training. So individual training is free webinar. That is the free webinar now you are attending. So in that free webinar, we are giving the overview of the technology, and who are participated in that, we will give the free certificate. And flash course or workshop, that is 5 to 10 hours course duration and basics of technologies it covered in that workshop. And full course, that is the 35 hours designed by the professional certifications clearance. Please mute yourself. Okay. So second one is first one is individual training. So I told 3 mediums of training. One is the individual training, corporate training, and college training. And 3 types of individual training. We are giving the training of 3 mediums. For first one is free webinar. That is you are attending that. And flash course for 10 hours, 5 to 10 hours workshops, and full course is 35 hours duration. We will cover in that professional certification clearance. And the And the next one is corporate training. Corporate training is we are providing the corporate training to IT and non-IT for corporates. And mode of training is virtual instructor lead the training and recording videos. Classroom training also we are providing. College training. So based on that college, we are providing a placement training, prestigious colleges in Tamil Nadu and across the India. So mode of the trainings we are given in the online and offline campus. Okay. Why AllPro training? So learn at your convenient timings, practical sessions, clear your doubts at any time, topics to crack your interview sessions, designed to clear professional certifications, free mock interviews, free resume buildings, lifelong community support, LinkedIn recommendation, and recordings, all the class notes we are providing, job guidance also we are providing. So this is, we are providing a list of courses: RPA, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, front-end developer, ERP tools, back-end developer, databases, automation training, CRM tools, data analytics and visualization, ETL tools, programming scripting languages, business analysis, project management, app development, Docker and Kubernetes, DevOps, DevSecOps, data science, firewall, cybersecurity, Ansible, Red Hat, Linux administration, Six Sigma tools, and Microsoft Office 365, Pega, AEM. So this kind of training we are providing in IT, and electronics courses also we are providing, and soft skill courses mainly for interview success and public speaking. So this is our electric and electronic courses, embedded system, MATLAB, AutoCAD, CCNA. So these kind of trainings we are provided for electrical and electronic students. So overall, our AllPro trainings has trained over 25K people to employed in a worldwide of. Our AllPro client is Mindtree, Cognizant, TCS, JotWorks, Tech Mahindra, Capgemini, Accenture, HCL, and these kind of certifications also we are providing to students. UiPath, IRPA certifications, data analytics, BPM, and Oracle certifications, cloud certifications, Java, Microsoft. So this kind of certifications we are providing to you. And I play one video for about our AllPro trainings. So thanks for watching, guys. So let me start the webinar. So first one is participate introduction. Please all are introduce yourself in chat box. Your name and you are a working professional or student. What are the expectation in the webinar? Please introduce yourself, guys, in chat box.
Ma'am, chat box is disabled.
Yeah, no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, thank you.
Please, guys. Yeah, thanks, Vishal. Thanks, Nandini. Yeah, hi, Aruna. Yes, Gayatri. Okay, Brinda from Singapore. Super. Super. So please, guys, introduce yourself in chat box. So all are please introduce yourself in chat box. So we will next move to webinar. Okay. So please introduce yourself in chat box. So I will give the introduction about the trainer. So trainer name is Rakesh. He's having a vast experience in IT industry. He have trained more than 150 of students all over the world. His students are placed in various MNCs all over the India and world. Yes, Rakesh, welcome. Can you please start the webinar?
Thank you.
Yes, Rakesh, you can share your screen and we'll start.
Okay, so can you make me host, please? Okay, fine. Okay. So everyone able to see my screen? Everyone getting my voice?
Yes, Rakesh.
Okay, so able to see my screen, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, fine. So thank you everyone for the joining the session. Okay, and hope after ending the session, this will be very beneficial for you. Okay, so I think we can start now. Okay, so here, just a notepad as well. Okay, fine. So if let's start about the Salesforce. Okay. So the first thing, okay, because right now just we have a less time, so I don't know exactly uh, what background you have, okay, and someone working, someone not working, okay. So I know that you have a lots of questions related to lots of doubt, okay. Uh, how we can enter in Salesforce, and if someone having experience 5 years, 6 years, 10 years, right, and then still want to move into the Salesforce world, so how you will proceed. So whatever question you have, just you can ask me after session. Okay, just 45 minutes around. I will discuss all the things related to Salesforce, and after that, whatever question you have, just you can ask me. Okay, so basically, what is a Salesforce exactly? Okay, so what is Salesforce? The first question. Okay, so I assume that might be someone know about the Salesforce things. So just I assume that you don't have any knowledge about the Salesforce. So if I'm talking about first the what is Salesforce exactly? So what is Salesforce? Salesforce is nothing just like a cloud-based application. What is Salesforce? Salesforce is a cloud-based application. Okay. Or you can say Salesforce is a CRM basically. Okay. So if I'm talking about Salesforce, so Salesforce is a world's #1 customer relationship management, right? For CRM. So full form of CRM is the customer relationship management. This will help, okay? This will help for maintain the relationship between the customers. Okay. Salesforce, with the help of CRM, with the help of Salesforce, we providing the, you can say, the service, we providing the sales things, okay, and you can say different type of services we are giving with the help of Salesforce CRM. Okay, so guys, in the word we have lots of CRM in the sales, lots of CRM. Okay, so just if I'm talking about, just a minute, please. Okay, so in the word we have a different type of CRMs in the market. What? Like the Zoho CRM, we have a, you can say, Sugar CRM, we have a Microsoft Dynamics CRM, okay, we have a, you can say, the Sales CRM, So we have a lots of CRM in the market, and all the CRM is on cloud. But why Salesforce is much popular as compared to other CRM? So once you know all the things, then you feel that why Salesforce is popular in worldwide as compared to other CRM. Even Salesforce is very costly as compared to other CRM. Salesforce is very costly as compared to other CRM. Even that is a popular among other CRMs. Okay. So guys, so if I'm talking about CRM, Salesforce. So what is Salesforce? Just I'm telling you, Salesforce is nothing just like a Salesforce is nothing just like a cloud-based CRM. Simple. So in this cloud and CRM, okay, if you know about what is the meaning of cloud, if you know about what is the meaning of CRM, then you know automatically what is Salesforce. Because Salesforce is a cloud-based CRM. So we have a two word, right? Cloud and CRM. So if you know about the cloud and if you know about the CRM, then you know about this, then automatically you know about the Salesforce. Okay. So first I'm talking about the CRM. So what is the CRM? CRM means customer relationship management. This is a full form. So as name suggested, customer relationship management. It means to say something just manage the customers. Okay. So Salesforce just a application, and in that application you can say Salesforce is a application, or you can say Salesforce is a software, or you can say Salesforce is CRM, anything you can say. Okay. And in that application, in that CRM, just we store the data of the customer. Okay. Why we store the data of the customer? So assume that just to listen, just like a story. Okay. Assume that we have any software, any application. You working in a, suppose for example, you working any call center or any industry, and that's just you working as an end user. You know about the end user, right? Just only operate the application. Suppose you are selling anything. So what you will do, just you call to customer, sir, your name. Suppose you call him to me. So just your name, please, your address, your phone number, your email address, just like all the data, all the customers' data, you will enter into the CRM. Why you enter in CRM? Because once you enter all the data into the CRM, based on that data, based on that information, we can automate our business, right? We can automate our business. How? For example, just I'm entering your information. Suppose I call to someone. I enter all the information to the particular application which called CRM. Once I save the record, automatically need to send an email to the customer. Okay. Automatically just create a one, you can say, quotation. And then that quotation automatically attached into the mail, and then that mail will send to the customers. For example, suppose we have a number of customers. You can say that 1 lakh customer or 50,000 customers. Okay. You enter all the information related to customers, all the 50,000 customers data you store into the CRM. I'm not talking about Salesforce. Forget about the Salesforce as of now, at this point. Okay. At this point, just to forget about the Salesforce. Just we are talking about only CRM. What is CRM? Why we use CRM? So just to enter all the data, once you save the record, automatically send a mail to customer, right? and assume that you don't have any application. Assume that you don't have any application. Where you will maintain the data? Anyone can tell where you maintain the data if you don't have any application, any software?
Guys, please answer. This is interactive session.
Yeah, please.
Maybe it's stored in cloud.
Okay, you will store in cloud. But how you suppose you working as an end user? Suppose, for example, just you working in my company. Okay, I am selling something. For example, just assume that, for example, you have a lots of customers information. You will store in cloud. So you don't know how we can store in cloud because you are a non-technical background. You are having the non-technical background, right? It means to say in the cloud means, okay, just like a hard disk or something like that, right? Or pen drive. So you can store, but as an end user, how will you store? In Excel sheet, right? Suppose, for example, I'm calling to any customer. Suppose I'm calling to you, ma'am, your name, please. Ma'am, your address, please. Ma'am, your phone number, please. So where I will maintain? In Excel sheet, right? We will maintain the data into the Excel sheet first. Okay. So if I maintain the data in Excel sheet, we cannot track properly. Okay. For example, suppose I call you, ma'am, just I'm selling something. Just assume that, okay, just I'm telling you with the example. Assume that you have a one company. Suppose you have a manufacturing company. For example, Priya Enterprises. Assume that this is your company. Okay. Your company manufacturing laptops. Manufacturing laptops, right? So if you manufacture the suppose 50,000 laptops, so what is the next target? You will sell, right? Sales, right? If you're not able to sell, then what will happen? You cannot generate a revenue. Your company revenue you cannot generate, right? So what is the first target? You have a big building, big employee. Okay, lots of product, not 50,000, 50 lakhs, you can say. But this is exactly beneficial for us. No, without selling the laptop, this is not beneficial, right? If you have a big building, if you have a lots of employee, without client, without customer is nothing. So what is the main important point? Customers, right? Clients. This is the main thing, right? So sales is the important. So what you will do, you suppose you are a owner of the company, then you will launch a campaign. Okay. What you will do, you will launch a campaign. How we launch a campaign? Just guys, just I'm telling you the basic steps of the any sales process. If you have anything you want, if you are planning to sell anything, what you will do? First of all, you will do the marketing, right? Campaigning, you can say. How you will do the campaign? Just TV ad, right? Banners, hoardings. Okay, hoardings. Social media, etc. Okay. So first you will do the advertisement of your product. Then after that, once you launch a campaign, you are able to generate a lead, right? Suppose I will see your ad to the social media. Just I see your ad into the social media. Just I see, okay, your phone number I got, your company phone number I got, your mail ID I got. What I will do? I will call to you or I will mail to you, right? I will say, okay, I need a laptop. Okay, so just to tell me, just to send me the quotation, just to give me the product detail, all the things, right? Suppose I'm a customer, I reach to you. So if I reach to you, then again, other person reach to you, again, third person reach to you. In this way, lots of person reaching to you. So where you maintain the data, how you track? You will put all the information, whatever customer reaching to you in any place, right? In any place, right? So you have two things. One is the Excel, you can put into the Excel, or another one is any application. Any application, right? So assume that you don't have a CRM. So what you will do? You will put into the Excel sheet, right? Okay, this customer inquiry me. Okay, name, phone number, you will mention the address, you will mention other information, other information related to customers. You will track into the Excel sheet. But do you think Excel will work for long time business, for big company, for lots of customers? Can you assume that? Can you imagine? You can mention in Excel sheet. Might be Excel sheet is hang, right? Or you can say crash or anything. It means to say your data is not safe. And for example, suppose you maintain an Excel sheet, no problem. After that, you need to send a quotation. How you will send a quotation? One by one, your employee will send a mail. Sir, this is our company products quotation, right? This is a quotation, this is a price, this is the information related to product. If you send one by one, then what will happen? This is a very lengthy task. This is a manual task, right? Is it not? This is not possible if one by one you send a mail. Suppose, for example, you purchase a one Maruti car. You go to the showroom, you fill the form, and you buy a car. Once you reach to home, automatically you receive a mail from that particular company. Welcome to our showroom, welcome to our product, welcome to our company. Okay, you are my genuine customer or valuable customer, whatever. Just to receive a template, right? Mail template. Okay. So that automatically you receive. Nobody will send a mail for you for the welcome mail. No, because this is a big. Suppose if you purchase the Maruti car, this Maruti is a very big brand, right? So automatically you will receive a mail. For example, your Maruti car warranty finish after 5 years. Automatically, just you receive a mail, sir, your warranty is going to finish. Can you renew this? Right? So automatically, nobody take care, nobody keep eyes ki, okay, this customer's car warranty finishing in 2 days or 1 day. In the same way, if you recharge your mobile and after 1 month, automatically you receive a message. Nobody send message, right? It's automatic message, right? But if you manually, this is not possible, right? One by one to the customer. Okay. So what you will do? Just you need to put into the CRM. Okay. So what you will do? Suppose, for example, if you are using Excel, so just you will generate the lead. What is the mean of lead? Lead means what? Lead means you can say lead just like a person who's showing interest in your product. Simple. What is the meaning of lead? Showing an interest in your product. Okay. Once lead will generate, then what will happen? Account will come. Account means what? Account means the customer is ready to buy your product. Here, just showing the interest. Just customer interacting with the particular company and just taking a detail for the product, and then After some time, customer are ready to buy a product. Okay, sir, I want the product. Just make a payment and all the things, and then take a product. Once take a product, after it, what happened? After that, what is the responsibility of this company? Need to give the service, right? Customer satisfaction, you can say. Customer satisfaction means what? For example, if you purchase any laptop and once you open the laptop, screen damage or just any software problem or any hardware problem, okay, and the customer call to the customer care, okay, and the customer care people saying that, okay, sir, I raised your complaint, I raised your case, okay, my customer representative will reach to your home after 1 week. So you will feel very irritating, right? Just I purchased a new product today and I got some damage in that particular product, and they are saying that we need to wait for 1 week, even that you have urgent work. So this is not a good customer service, right? This is not a good customer service. Okay, so customer satisfaction is the very important. First time you can take, no problem, but next time you will not come, you will not refer to anyone. Suppose if I'm not deliver not deliver just a good output to you, okay, not placed, and then you are not able to understand what I'm saying, okay, so you feel bad, right? So next time you will not refer to anyone. So service is the very important part, okay, because in whole world just we are doing only 2 things. If you do any type of business, if you do the electronics business, if you do the banking business, if you do the pharma business, if you do any type of business, just you are doing only 2 things. You are selling the product or you are giving the service, right? Suppose you have a product based company, what you will do? You will sell the product. If you have a banking industry, you have a bank or something, what you will do? You will give the service. I am in education industry. What I'm doing? I'm not, what I'm giving to you. I'm not giving any product to you. I'm giving the service to you, right? So in the whole world, we have a 2 type of business. One is sales. Second one is a service, right? So Salesforce maintain all the things. All the things means we have a different type of product. You can see here in this slide, okay. We have a sales cloud, we have a service cloud, we have a commerce cloud, we have an experience cloud called the community cloud as well, okay. We have an analytics cloud, we have a marketing cloud. So guys, these clouds are nothing. This is different type of Salesforce product, okay. But all the cloud, if I'm talking about sales clouds, just to maintain that, just to do the activity related to sales. If you use the service cloud, just you are providing the service to anyone, okay. So these cloud is a marketing cloud, just to maintain the high level marketing. These are just nothing different. Some features, some feature, you can say, just the, suppose in the sales, if I'm talking about sales, in the sales cloud, you can do the marketing stuff as well. You can create a campaign, you can generate a lead, okay, everything you can do. But okay, but if you take the marketing cloud, how you will do? In the marketing cloud, just the core marketing cloud, okay, you can send a attractive templates, but here just you can send a template, not attractive, okay. Here just you can say advanced feature for marketing, you will see here. Here will not advanced feature, but look wise every cloud will say. And no need to learn different things. You need to learn the marketing cloud, you need to learn the analytic cloud, you need to learn the experience cloud, nothing. Before, just first you need to work as well as you need to learn the Sales Cloud and Service Cloud. Whenever you will get a call from the interviewer, just interviewer asks you how much experience you have in Sales Cloud, how much experience you have in Service Cloud. So Sales Cloud and Service Cloud is nothing just like a features. Suppose you say I have a 3-year experience in Sales Cloud. What is the meaning of we have a Sales Cloud means just we have done the some functionality, we have implemented the some functionality related to sales. If you're saying that just I have experience in the Service Cloud. So Service Cloud and Sales Cloud is nothing, because main basic concept is the Salesforce. Okay, you need to create an object in Sales Cloud as well as a Service Cloud. You need to create a you need to write a code in the Sales Cloud as well as a Service Cloud. Okay, so these things you cannot differentiate at this point of time. Just you can assume that all the product is same. We need to learn admin and we need to learn the development. Okay, so the basic information, what is a CRM? CRM is nothing just like a customer relationship management, where we can store all the information related to customer at one place. Simple. This is the definition. Nobody asks you the definition nowadays, but yes, if you are entering in Salesforce, you must need to know what is Salesforce exactly. Okay, so here we have two terms. One is the Salesforce, second one is the CRM, and third one is the cloud. Cloud is nothing just like a big hard disk. Just someone say that, right? We can store the data into the cloud. Of course, you can store the data into the cloud, but you need any front end, right? How you input the data. So you have a cloud. You don't suppose, for example, you are using the Facebook, you are using the Gmail. Okay, so it means to say, if you are using the Facebook just to messaging, just to chatting, just to posting something, right? Hi, hello, whatever. So you assume that where my data is going, and also you don't care about the data, where my data is saved. You don't know, because that data is on cloud. If you delete the messages, if you delete the message from WhatsApp, if you delete the message from Facebook, if you delete the message from Gmail, it doesn't mean it deletes permanently from everywhere. No, all the messages, all the data can recover by that particular company. It means to say, whatever you have sent, whatever you use, messaging, chatting, whatever, that things store into the somewhere. Somewhere means cloud. Cloud means what? So in a simple language, just you assume that cloud means badal, right? You can say just cloudy, right? You don't know about the data. In the same way, guys, here in the Salesforce, once I will open the Salesforce, then you will see, just you use that Salesforce, just you enter all the information related to customer and whatever, just you use as a front end. And if I'm talking about the database, don't care about where is my data saved. Only your work, you need to export the data from database, you need to insert the data in database, you need to delete the data from database, you need to update the data from database, but you don't know where is my database. So if I'm talking about a database, so guys, in Salesforce, we have a multiple database. Multiple means we have a one database, but multiple places. Okay, in India, we have a database server. Database means what? Server, right? If you're working in a Java, what you need? Guys, anyone tell me, if you're working a Java, suppose if you implementing any product, any software into the Java, what does that mean? It means to say you need the front end, right? You need the front end engineer, right? Well, front end, right? Front end means just you need to you will use the CSS, HTML, whatever, right? JavaScript. Okay. Second one, backend. What is the means of backend? Backend in the sense logic things, right? Where you will use the logic. Logic you will use the with the help of Apex class in the Salesforce I'm talking about. If I'm talking about a development, okay, so I will give you the idea about the development as well. Okay, if I'm talking about the database, you need the database. Okay, sorry, not here. I will not use the Apex because if I said, if you build any application into the Java, then backend you will use the Java technology, right? Java code, Java language, right? Database you will manage in the SQL, right? You remember SQL?
Yes.
Right? SQL. So here just front end this one, back end this one, database this one. If I'm comparing with the Salesforce, Java, here we use the Apex. Here you will use the if I'm talking about the latest concept, LWC. Before that, we have this very advanced. It nowadays very hot. If any interview call just we are receiving, okay, you know about the LWC lightning wave component. And these are predefined components. Lots of components are predefined. No need to learn much. I will discuss into the development part. Okay. So first you need to understand only the admin concept. Just I'm telling you a little bit idea about these things. Okay. So LWC, before that was the lightning component. Before LWC, before 1 year or 2 years, before 1 year, we are using, still I am using, okay, we are using actually lightning component. What is this? What is that? Just like a front end. Okay. Before that, we were using, when Salesforce launched, then we have the, you can say, VF page. So you will use this one into the Salesforce. Okay. But here you will use the CMS, JavaScript, HTML like that. Apex and database, you will use the Apex. So in the SQL, you will you will create a table, then you delete the table, lots of complicated things. If you open the SQL, then one engineer I need for SQL only. Play with the database, right? But in the Salesforce, nothing like that. You are a front end developer, you are a back-end developer, you handle that you can say database, everything. Because these are very simple things. Okay. So guys, now I'm telling you the whatever, just the basic information related to all. Okay. So first I told you the CRM. Okay. You know about the CRM. What is the meaning of CRM? Why we use the CRM? Because we need to automate our business. If you use the any Excel or something, then this is not possible to automate your business. Okay. So you use the we use the CRM for automate our business. So we have a number of CRMs, Zoho, Sales, Sugar, Dynamic, like, so that even there we are using the Salesforce. Salesforce is the #1 CRM in the world. Okay. So here, if I'm talking about now just I'm talking about, okay. We have two things in Salesforce. Okay. Salesforce admin and Salesforce developer. Okay. If someone, suppose if I'm talking about admin, what is the meaning of admin? No need to write a single line of code. No need to write, just point and click. In the admin, point and click. Salesforce admin means point and click. Or you can say configuration. Or you can say out of box. So guys, Salesforce admin means no need to write a single line of code. Okay, no need to write any single line of code. Now, if I'm talking about a development, Salesforce development. So in the development, we have a language, Apex. I told you Apex. Based on the, just you need to learn the Apex. Okay. And based on the Apex, you will, once you learn the Apex for 1 month or 1.5 months, after that, just you are able to write a trigger, you are able to write create a visual force page, you are working. But this is a basic concept. This is a base of development. If you know Apex, then you can do everything to the development. If you don't know the Apex, then you can't do anything. Even that you have a knowledge about the HTML, JavaScript, no problem. But if you don't know the Apex, then believe me, Apex is a very simple language as compared to Java, .NET, PHP, whatever. Very simple language, Apex. If anyone want to make a good developer in Apex, and just to put the 4 month or 5 month, 100% you will know very well in Apex. And if you want to learn the development, suppose I told you we have an admin and we have a development in Salesforce. So doesn't matter, suppose someone not interested in the admin. Okay, I don't want to admin. Not like that. You cannot do that. Okay. If you want to learn the development, you must need to learn the admin first. Without admin, you cannot move for the development. Okay. And this is not a separate thing. Okay. Yes, of course, we have a different type of openings in the Salesforce administrator, Salesforce development, like that. But when you give the interview of admin, then interviewer not ask you any development question. But yes, sometimes the interviewer asks you have a knowledge about the development or not. Only ask this question. But if you are giving the development interview, then interviewer asks you few questions from the admin. Okay. And sorry, in any project, when you will work into the company, 60% to 70% project will develop by the admin. 30%, 40% to 30%. Okay, 40% to 30% project developed by development. In any project, if you are implementing the sales cloud, service cloud, whatever, 60 to 70% project you will develop by the administrator. Don't underestimate the admin. People saying that admin is a very simple thing. Someone like, okay, and lots of people just learning the admin. But believe me, in admin, also we have lots of things. Once you learn, after that you will see, okay, this thing, lots of things you can do from that. Without, that's why Salesforce popular, because Salesforce is a very less coding. Okay, that's why Salesforce is popular. And in a company, the best practice, suppose if anyone giving the, suppose for example, if anyone giving the requirement to you, suppose any client giving the requirement to you, okay, then if you are a big developer, very big, very expert in development, then also you will do from the admin if the requirement is fulfilled by admin. Just I'm repeating again. For example, you got any requirement from the client. Guys, I'm telling you the real time. Okay, just I'm not opening the must slide. Okay, because I don't have the habit for the slide at all. Okay, just I'm telling you all the things because I'm working as well. Okay, so if suppose if you got any requirement from the client, okay, so client avoid the development. But you can say avoid the coding. So I told you, if you got any requirement, suppose if record save in Salesforce automatically send an email to customers as well as to sales director. This is a requirement. For example, if any record, any lead record or account record, I will discuss later. Okay, any record, if you create in Salesforce, automatically send an email to the customer. So guys, this is a 5-minute work if you do from the admin. Okay, but in the other technology, Java, .NET, PHP, if you do, you need to write at least 20 lines code. So code sometimes, so people avoiding. So if suppose, so what is the meaning of this one? If you fulfill this requirement you got from client. So guys, this requirement in Salesforce you can fulfill from the admin, as well as development. Both concept you can use, and then you can fulfill this requirement. So where you will go? You will go admin, even that you are a good developer. No need to go for the development. Otherwise, tester reject your problem. Sorry, your requirement. Whatever solution you have, you implement, tester will reject. If this requirement this is possible from the admin, then why you go for the development? So guys, if you will get any requirement from client side, first you try with the admin. Because why go for the development? Because admin has some limitation. Got it? Admin, if you get any requirement, not 100% sure that this will fulfill from the admin. If not possible from the admin, then you need to go for the developer. Got it? If any requirement not able to provide the solution by the admin, then you go for the development, because in the admin we have some limitation. So, but the client and everyone avoiding the coding, writing the code in Salesforce. Okay, please don't write the code if possible from the admin. Then you do from the admin, because sometimes the code will crash. Code is not efficient much as compared to admin. Admin means just click, and then you can develop your project. So if someone come after you, then easily able to understand what you have done. But if someone don't know about the coding and all, then how know, right? So guys, this is admin and development. Okay. Now I'm talking about we have a number of profiles in Salesforce. We have a Salesforce consultant. We have a okay, Salesforce admin support, Salesforce administrator, Salesforce developer, team lead related to Salesforce. So don't worry about the profile. What profile you will get? Suppose sometime company hire, okay, as a developer. In offer letter, just mention the Salesforce developer. But once you into the company, then I told you, 60 to 70% work from the admin. Then might be you will work as an admin 1 year, 2 year, 6 months. But in offer letter, you make the people just mention the Salesforce developer. Even that this doesn't mean you are an admin person. No, you are a Salesforce person, not admin, not developer. So if someone only from admin, then okay, I can mention the Salesforce administrator profile. So it means to say just the symbol that you don't know about the coding. But guys, you must need to understand about the coding. For example, I given to this requirement. So I know that you are not able to write a code, but you know that how you can achieve. You need to go for the admin, or you need to go for the development. At least you need to take it this idea. So if anyone want to take a job, so first you need to learn about the admin duration not much. Okay, if you know that, if you want, then in 1 month you can complete whole admin part. Okay, if you spend that 2 hours 3 hours, then you make yourself at a 2-year level employee, 2-year level candidate or 3-year level candidate in Salesforce administrator. But you need to work hard. Everything you can do. So I will show you the topics, whatever topic we have in Salesforce admin, so that you can understand. Okay. So in 1 month, if you effort, then you will 100% good administrator. You will become. But in the development, just you need to take a 2 month or 3 month time to learning the basic concept about the development, like the Apex. Just after that, just trigger, just the Visual Force page, then LWC. But everything is depend on the Apex. If you understand the Apex, then automatically you will enjoy the code. Okay, so not like that. So 3 months, just you learn the interview questions and the basic concept and all the things. But yes, if continue, you need to give the more time onto the development. So in 1 month you can take for the admin, and if anyone want to move into the development, just to learn the development after 1 month, slowly, and then you will get an automatically job. Even that you need to learn. You suppose if you place in a Salesforce, okay, in any company, okay, after that just you need to learn the development, because just you know that just to learn the Salesforce, right? Learning the Salesforce. So we have a number of sources in the Salesforce where you can learn, okay, where you can practice is a very important. Without practice, efficient practice, okay, not like that. Just you have learned, you are taking the training, you complete the training, and then you can ask itself how much certification you have done, you have worked the real-time project or not. Just ask from itself, ask from home, you have done the real-time scenarios. If answer yes, then you are okay. How many number of triggers you have written? If yes, okay, I have written the good number or bad number. What? Describe yourself. This type of how many bases you have, how many points you have in trailhead. So guys, you need to put the effort. But yes, after that, always you will enjoy the Salesforce. You will never see back for the job. As for other companies, if I'm talking about Java is the very tough. Just I'm telling you my opinion. Okay, Java is the very tough as compared to Salesforce. If anyone can say you can learn the Java, I cannot. If I'm talking about the .NET, if I'm talking about the PHP. Okay, so apart from this, apart from Salesforce, if you are thinking, okay, I don't want the coding, I need only the admin part. Okay, so so you will go with the admin. Otherwise, you will think about the testing profile, right? The people moving into testing is easy nowadays also. So guys, just I'm telling you one thing. Before Salesforce, I was in testing for 3 years. Nothing scope. And nowadays, the very bad openings in the Salesforce, in the testing, not Salesforce testing. See, in the Salesforce also we have a testing, Salesforce testing we have. In Salesforce testing is a good thing, okay? But as compared to developments, Salesforce testing opening is a less. But if I'm talking about the manual testing, or you can say automation testing, right? So automation testing, you cannot justify the experience level things. Manual testing, if you give the interview, just we have in a one company, we have a 2 or 3 opening, and then you see the people, then we have a 5,000 people. If you conduct the walk-in interview on Saturday, 100% I'm sure 5,000 people will come for the testing for the testing. Okay, and experience level, not the fresher level, more than. If I'm talking about experience and package, whatever package you are getting, just okay, I can give you the 30%, 25%. You 100% need to convince with the company. You need to go with the company, because if you don't have the option. But in the Salesforce, if you are getting the 5 lakh package, you have a good knowledge. Okay, you have a good knowledge. If you say to company, I need a 10 lakh, company will not say you, okay, I cannot give the 10 lakh. Matlab, no. Company will say, company will not say to you, if you are getting the getting the 5 lakhs, then why you ask for the 10 lakhs? Okay, why you ask for the 10 lakhs? Okay, so here you can say you can take a 100% hike in Salesforce, but in the other technology 30%, 40% like that. And then in Salesforce, because why? Because in Salesforce is a lot much demanding people, not there are not much good people nowadays. The lots of people moving into the Salesforce, but if I'm talking about the deserving people, knowledgeable people, very less. Okay, so guys, this is the admin and development, the position I was talking about. Now I'm talking about, okay, where you will the practice. So guys, in the Salesforce, we have a Salesforce additions. Okay, we have a different type of additions in Salesforce. So if I'm talking about we have a essential additions. Essential edition. We have a professional edition. We have a enterprise edition. In short, I'm telling you, okay. So just I'm moving fast. Okay. If anyone get a chance, so next time I will tell you the proper detail from the scratch related to Salesforce. So just I'm telling you the whatever I told you previously before that. So just for general information, okay. What is the admin? What is the development? What you need to learn, okay. And after that, you have a lots of questions. Then I will tell you all the things, okay. So we have a enterprise edition. We have a unlimited edition. We have a developer edition, you can say, or developer account. Okay, so guys, these are the additions. So what is the mean of addition and why Salesforce launched these edition? Okay, so if I'm talking about the essential edition, I tell you why Salesforce launched. So if I'm talking about the essential edition, the essential edition costs $25 per month. Okay, per month means what? Per month means, for example, okay, first I'm telling you per month per user. Okay, what is the mean of this one? Suppose in your company you have a 10 people. Okay, in your company you have a 10 people and you are trying to use the Salesforce. Just to call to customer care of Salesforce, you can say the technical support of Salesforce, and then you say that okay, I need a Salesforce for 10 people. So guys, how much license you need to take? 10 license. Okay, one license for one people. So I'm telling you the $25 per month for one license, per license. That's why I told you Salesforce is very costly per license. It means in your company you have a 10 people, then you need to take a 10 license. 10 license means 25 into 10, $250 per month company will invest on you. All 10 people for Salesforce. Okay. If I'm talking about professional, so professional cost is a $125 per month. Per month per license. Per month per license. Okay. If I'm talking about the enterprise, then $175 per month. If I'm talking about the unlimited, then you can say $300 per month. If I'm talking about a developer edition, it's a free of cost. So this is a free of cost. Everyone take this one, right? But not like that. Okay. This is for practice purpose. Everyone have a developer account. This is called the developer account as well. Developer account. Okay. So guys, you will practice here in the developer account, but not like that. Just you are trying to learn, just you are starting the learning. Then you have, even that I have a 10-year experience, even that anyone have a 5-year experience, 2-year experience. Everyone have a developer account. So whatever practice, okay, whatever practice you will do, you will create a developer account own, and then you will learn. Free account. But for these one, we have Salesforce taking a charge, because these things you need to take for the company. Okay. So in your mind, you have I think you have a question. If this is a $25, then why I will take the 175? And why Salesforce launched these editions? Guys, suppose this is the 5 Salesforce license, 5 different Salesforce edition. Okay. So all the edition look and feel is same. So all the edition look and feel is same. Okay. Suppose if I open this one is essential edition, this edition, you open the unlimited edition, someone open the professional edition, then you cannot identify what edition they are using, because look and feel is same. So how you know that what edition you are using? I will tell you. Just we have a one option, then you can see, then you can say, okay, you are using this edition, you are using that edition. Okay, but look and feel is same for everyone. Okay, so same like, so why launch Salesforce this edition? So guys, suppose you have a small company, right? A small level company. Suppose you have a 10 people company, and you heard about the Salesforce is very popular. You heard. Then what you will do? You connect to Salesforce. Salesforce will say, okay, sir, you can take. Just I'm taking a. You can give me the $175 for one license. So how many license you need, sir? 10 license you need, right? So how much amount you need to give? You need to give the $1,750, right? So you can say, sir, this is a very much cost. Even that this cost you need to pay for 1 month, not for 6 months or 1 year. Every month you need to pay this one. After that, you need to hire the developer for customize this application. So this is a very big cost, very much cost. So Salesforce don't want to lose any customer. So if you have a small business, Salesforce offer to you this one. If you have a big customers, big employee, big customers, big and big business, then you can take this one. And so Salesforce saying that, sir, you can use this one because you have a small business. After 6 months or 1 year, when you grow your company, then you can move from in essential edition to unlimited edition. No problem. Just you can give me the payment within 24 hours. You automatically you will see your application will become the unlimited or enterprise. So guys, just I'm telling you the one real truth. We are using in a company enterprise or unlimited. So what is the difference? Just I'm telling you the practical example. For example, if you go for the Maruti car, just you are buying for the, just you are planning to buy the Maruti car. So we have a 3 model car, right? Three variant, right? Base variant, middle variant, and top variant. So, but all the basic features will same, right? If you want to go from here to there, then you need to take any variant, right? But what will be in the top variant? Sunroof, video system, right? Automated lock, like that. But if you remove all these features, then also you can use your car, right? So in the same way here. So in detail, I will tell you what is the reason, but you don't know much. You don't need to know about the much thing. What is the exact difference? Because I told you, look and feel is same for everything. Okay, just this is for a small business. This is for big business. Interviewer asks you sometime what edition you are using in your company. So keep in mind, always you will say professional. Sorry, always you will say the enterprise or unlimited. Always you will say. Okay. always you will say. Okay, always you will say I'm using the enterprise or unlimited. Okay, now, so I'm telling you developer account. Okay, so how we can create a developer account, guys? Now you are going to enter in Salesforce properly. How you just okay, how you create a developer account for practice purpose. So guys, just what you need to do. Okay, what you need to do, just go to the Google. Okay, okay, one thing I'm telling you, one more thing. Okay, so we have it, guys. We are using the 2 type of application: on-demand application and on-premises application. What is the meaning of on-demand? On-demand application means you need only the internet, username, password, and browser. On-premises application like the MS Word and other things, MS Office or something, Skype, okay, or other things. Okay. Why? How you know that? So guys, on-demand application, just only you need the internet, username, password, and browser. Anywhere you can open. And this application, you assume that on cloud. This application, you can assume that on cloud. Okay. Suppose, for example, you purchase a new computer, right? You purchase a new computer, and I'm saying you, please create a one CV for me. Are you able to create? Yes, you can create if you have a MS Office, right? If you don't have the MS Office in your computer, then you cannot create. It means to say MS Office is a on-premises application. But if I'm talking about if you purchase a new computer, I'm talking about please open your Facebook. If you have internet, you can username, password, browser, you can open. In the same way, guys, Salesforce just like a Facebook. Okay, if you want to open anywhere in cyber cafe, in a bus, train, anywhere you can open the Salesforce. But if you're working in a Java or .NET, can you open in a cyber cafe that same application? Not possible, right? You cannot open in cyber cafe, you cannot open in home. Only in office you can open, because if you want to open, then you need a lots of installation in that particular computer, right? Which is not possible in the same suddenly, right? Suppose just to call to company, sorry sir, I'm not coming tomorrow. Okay, due to some reason, can I work from home? And you are working in Java. Is it possible to can you write a code into the home computer? No. Only office computer you can write a code. Otherwise, you need to install lots of things. You need a license, everything. Okay. So Java is an on-premises application, but on-demand application is the Facebook, Gmail, Salesforce is a on-demand application. Just you have internet, you have username, just you can open and then start coding. It's a very big achievement from the Salesforce. Okay, so how you can create a developer account? This is the main point. So guys, I told you the Salesforce just like a Facebook. So just to okay, if you want to open the Salesforce, if you want to create a Salesforce account, so first you tell me how you can open the Facebook account. Just to write the Facebook sign up, right? Enter, and then sign up for Facebook. Just to enter the information, right? First name, last name, like that. Otherwise, just you write this link on a URL at URL. For in the same way, if you want to, guys, I will tell you the normal things. You can say the very easy way. Because just to learn, like just enjoyment. Okay, Salesforce is a very interesting technology, but once you catch, not a boring things. Okay, you need to learn something. No, just to enjoy. So what if you want to open the developer account? Just to write here. If you open the Facebook, if you want to create a Facebook first time, what you do? Facebook sign up. In the same way, just to write a Salesforce sign up. Click here, Salesforce sign up, right? Go here, developer edition sign up. Click here. This is the URL, developer.salesforce.com sign up. So if anyone want to create, so developer.salesforce.com/sign up. Okay, so just to write this one, enter all the information. Enter all the information, first name, last name, okay, email address, role, what, anything you can put. Anything, developer you can put, IT administrator, whatever, doesn't matter. Okay, company name, XYZ, whatever you can mention here. Country, if you from, just to mention the country. Okay, if you're from India, if you're from Japan, if you're from Singapore, if you're from US, just to mention here. Okay, after that, just postal code, just to mention the postal code, whatever. And then username, just you can make any name, right? Suppose priya@salesforce.com, anything. I suggest you, just you can take an email ID, and same email ID you can paste here. Okay, and then click on sign me up. Once you sign me up, automatically receive one link on your mail ID, whatever you mention here. And then you click on that particular mail ID, and then once you click on that particular link, whatever receive in your mail ID, that particular link reset your password. So you reset the password, right? And you get the username from here. For next time, just to login.salesforce.com. Always any edition, if you are opening in a company for practice purpose, anything, always you will use the login.salesforce.com. Always. For professional edition, for enterprise, for group, anything, login.salesforce.com. So you got the username, right? Whatever mentioned, just email ID, enter the email ID like this. Okay, and then enter the password, whatever you have, whatever you created. Login. Welcome to Salesforce world. Now you need to do everything into the Salesforce this here. You need to learn the admin, development, everything. Just you need to write here. No need to go any other place. No need to use the other tool or for implement or something. Just to go here and enjoy the Salesforce and learn the Salesforce. If you want to write a code, just to go here, developer console, just to click here, write the code. From just to go here, file, Apex class. Very simple things. If you go here, just if you want to write a query, just click query, select ID, comma name, from like that, from account, just you can get a data, just execute. Just like you can see the data. But if you use the SQL, I think 15 minutes will take for the opening the Salesforce SQL. Oh, sorry, opening the SQL. 15 minutes will take. Okay. So guys, it's a very interesting technology. Okay. So you can create these color tabs, application, and all the things. I will tell you later. Okay, because just I'm telling you the fast manner because already too late for everyone, I think. Okay. So guys, if you have any question, just you can ask me for a few minutes and wrap up. Okay. So if someone interested, then we can plan for a next time. Okay. So that I can tell you the core Salesforce related things from starting, from scratch. What is the multi-tenant architecture and what is the object, what is the field. I will create applications and all things. Okay. So today, just you assume that just I'm giving the basic information related to things because we don't have the time and also I'm speaking the fast way. You feel that like that. Okay. So that I assume that this session will complete in within 1 hour, but it is taking the much time. Okay. So that because I'm passionate about the teaching. Okay. So guys, if anyone want to learn, so just you learn properly in certain time period, you work hard and you take a certification is not a big deal. Everyone can do the certification. Just you take a documents for 1 week, you learn and just you learn the concepts. 100% you will certify. People taking a training, especially training for the certification, no need to do like that. Certification doesn't work, I'm telling you. Okay, people have a good certification, number of certification, but in the India, certification doesn't work. But yes, in US, Singapore, in other country, without certification, your CV it's very tough to shortlist your CV for other countries. But in India, nowadays interviewer not asking about the certification. You have 10 certification, 5 certification, 2 certification. But yes, if you entering in Salesforce, at least one certification you need. Salesforce admin and one PD1 if you want to move into the development. So we have 2 certification is the important Salesforce admin certification and another one called the developer certification called the PD1, platform developer 1. This 2 is sufficient for any level of experience. 10 year, 5 year, 2 year, if 2, this is fine, no problem. Okay, guys. So guys, please ask any question if you have. Just to start from one by one. Okay, so if you have anything, just you can ask. In short, man, I will tell you. You have any questions? Anyone?
Hi.
Yes, please. One by one.
Please ask one by one. Please ask.
Hello, I am Krishna.
Yes, Krishna, tell me.
Actually, means 2 years experience. How much salary expect means?
Salary expectation for 2 years. Okay, first of all, depend on the knowledge, but at least
as a developer.
As a developer, at least 6 lakh. At least.
At least 6 lakh.
Yes.
Okay.
Because
and
at least 6 lakh, I'm telling you, because of suppose if you are working in a new first company, then I almost spend 2 years. So assume that just you have a 4-year package. If you are starting from the fresher level, 25 lakh, 1,000. Okay. So in 2 years, but in 2 years, you have a good knowledge and your current package is a 5 lakh. Automatically, you can get 9 lakhs. You can ask 9 lakhs. So 8 lakhs, 9 lakhs, 7.5 you can get. But sometimes the people don't do much development, only admin and support and all of things. So at least 6 lakh you can get.
Actually, as a developer.
Yes, as a developer, at least 6 lakh are there. Minimum. Okay. But as a core developer, if you have good knowledge, then package is no good for knowledgeable person. Okay. So
and,
that's why
miss, okay. It is beneficial means I have both knowledge like MuleSoft and Salesforce. You know about MuleSoft?
I heard about it, but not deep. Just the verbal knowledge.
Hello?
Okay. So yes, getting my voice?
Yeah.
I heard about this. Yeah, just I heard about it only. So this is beneficial in the sense you have in this technology you have a coding, right?
Which in means MuleSoft.
Yeah. Acha, MuleSoft you are talking about. Of course, I know
Yeah,
about the
I'm
MuleSoft.
talking about MuleSoft. It is
Okay,
beneficial. Means
okay, okay,
I
okay.
have both knowledge. Means Salesforce developer and as MuleSoft as well. So it
This is
is
a very,
beneficial
this
for.
is a very, very beneficial, not beneficial, because Salesforce is now integrating the MuleSoft. Just you can say Salesforce MuleSoft. So
Yeah,
Salesforce is pure focusing on the MuleSoft nowadays. Salesforce integration
yeah.
MuleSoft. Okay, so it's a very, very important, very, very beneficial for you. It's a very good thing.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Okay, yes. Okay, so any other one, please? Yeah, please.
Yeah, I am Rohan.
Yes, Ron, tell me.
I have knowledge in front end like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and also some Python backends. Okay,
Okay,
data
okay,
analytics. So
okay.
if I step forward to Salesforce as a freshers,
Mm-hmm.
so how much can I expect salary,
Okay, 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 okay.
and
So you,
how time do I need to enter in this field?
Rohan, you asking, right? Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
So Rohan, just in short time, is in short, I'm telling you. Okay. Actually, this just today, before 3 hours, okay, one of my close person, my relative, you can say, he is working in a React. You know about the React, right? React technology.
yeah,
Okay. React is a front end technology, I think,
yeah, yeah. I know.
right? He's having around 7 year experience and very good knowledge in the React. It means to say the front end. And he was thinking about that he need to go for development or not from one year. Now the job problem, that's why he decided he need to move to the Salesforce. So if I'm talking about for you, okay. So first of all, you learn already Python. It's a very good point. You learned
Yeah,
about the front end. Okay.
yeah,
This is all JavaScript and all. So guys, if you okay, so just uh, no need to learn, no need to show. Okay, because just see, just I'm telling, no need to show you are not working in Salesforce. As a fresher, you don't. How much experience in Python and front end?
Actually, I was working on Python from my third year, but
Acha,
currently
okay,
I am doing data analytics course. So
okay, okay, okay. Data entry course. So which year you pass out?
2020, this year I have passed.
Oh, okay, okay. This year. Okay. So as a fresher, yes, of course. So you can say I have done the internship for 6 months, and AllPro can AllPro provide a training internship as well. I don't know exactly. Okay, you can discuss later for these things. But 6 month internship you can put into the Salesforce, because you know about you are starting the learning for from third year. It's a very, very good for you, beneficial. Okay, so easily, first of all, if you learn the Python, easily you can understand the Salesforce development. Okay, but for the development also you need to learn from the starting admin. Then you go for the development, and then you can show the 6 month. I have done the 3 month. You have taken the training, and 6 month I have done internship. So it means to say company can consider 9 months around for you, right? So not a so company will not treat a much pressure.
What
Okay,
kind of internship I can
internship in the sense, actually just suppose if
do?
if you are taking a training from anywhere, right? So 3 month training, you will get a very good knowledge about the sales, or 2 month training, or 1 month training. Okay, depend on the your course. Okay, so just 2 month 3 month you have done the training, just you can put into the CV for 6 month experience.
So
For
so I'm a first year. I will pass out in 2026 coming year. So I have one doubt.
tell me.
Salesforce can give an internship.
Internship in the sense is, suppose if you want to take a 6 month internship, okay, you can learn the 6 month Salesforce properly. Okay, depend on the month. Okay, month is not decided from my side, will decide from my side. Okay, but yes, 3 to 6 months just you can properly practice on a Salesforce, and then you can get a certification as well, and you can put into the CV you have done the certificate, you have done the Salesforce internship from this company. So company, whatever company will come into your campus, okay, company will entertain you first, apart from all the 100 people, 200 people, or 2000 people. Because every company, whatever coming into the in a campus, Everyone know about the Salesforce. But in the campus, if I'm talking about the college, people don't know much about the Salesforce. If I'm talking about your college, you think about it, how much people know about the Salesforce? Much, no, not much, right? If the any webinar or seminar or trailhead not conducted in the Salesforce in your college from the Salesforce, then don't know about the Salesforce, right? So out of 2,000 people or 15,000 people, if you say to interviewer ki I have done the Salesforce internship, then this is a plus point for you. Once you will hire, after it company can move to Salesforce, because every company nowadays using the Salesforce. SCL, Infosys, Wipro, everyone. Okay, so just I'm telling for you, okay, this is a very good time for you, because you have a 1 year to complete your degree. In 1 year you can learn lots of things, and you can complete to 2-year experience people, because nowadays knowledge also matters. Doesn't matter if you have a 2-year experience or not. Once if you get a chance for the interview, then 100% interviewer select with a good package, and this is a very easy for you for cracking the interview when the company will come in your college. Okay.
And what is the starting package I can expect?
Sorry, can you repeat, please?
What is the starting package I can
Starting package, my younger brother, my younger brother joined before 7 months. Okay, he got the, even I have an offer letter, but I cannot show as of now because time is less. Okay, so my real younger brother just did pass out the BTech from JSS Noida, and then he got placed in the Navatar group in Noida. Okay, and he got the package how much? Okay, 4.8 around. But in the for 3 months, I think he got the 15-17,000. Okay, so just the normal package. If you enter in a company, depend on the company to company, because just I have seen the post before few days. The one company is a very good company. I don't remember. Oh, HIC. Sorry, HIC Global. You heard about the HIC Global? Anyone heard about the HIC Global company? HIC Global. Okay, if you go to the Salesforce, then I think we have HIC Global giving the 10,000 only. A company is the MNC company. This company giving the only 10,000. Okay, but yes, 10,000 is very beneficial for you. If you join the HIC Global and after 6 months or 1 year, automatically you can get 40,000, 50,000. Salesforce opening, guys. You can see lots of opening in the Salesforce. There go business development. Okay, Salesforce opening. देखो, Salesforce developer hiring. Salary, this is the 5+ year experience. Okay, no problem. Says I have mentioned that fresher opening. Salesforce open fresher. I have seen that anywhere. Just like look, we can found or not. Okay, business development. Okay, no problem. Just okay, forget. Okay, I have seen that. So only 10,000 giving for 6 months or I think 3 months. So even that company is very good. But normally package for the freshers, if you place from the college, at least 3.5 lakhs, at least. Okay. But if you get a 10,000, 20,000, 15,000, don't worry about that. Once you enter in Salesforce, never you will see back. Okay. After 1 year, you will get a 50,000, 40,000. 2 year, you can get a good. 3 year, you can get a good. And then if you left the job or any reason you lost your job, then another offer in your hand. So very important thing is like this. Okay, not like that. Suppose you placed in a company with the 12 lakh package, so it's a settle. No, when you will set, when one job you left and another come. Okay, so this is called a settlement. Good settle. Okay, anyway, so you can get a fresher job just at least 3.5, but depend on the company as well. Someone can give the 10,000 rupees, but it is also okay. 10,000 is also fine for you for few months, not for long time. 6 months. If you learn in 6 months, automatically you've left the company, then automatically you can get a 35,000 minimum salary. Minimum. Okay. Anyway, so any other questions for anyone?
I have one last question.
Yes, please tell me.
What is our actual job role as a code developer?
So just okay. See, I told you if you are a developer, if you are a Salesforce developer, suppose you are applying for a Salesforce developer. Okay, so you will do, actually I have, but I don't have the much time. That's why I have not able to show you. You can say Salesforce admin. Okay, responsibilities of Salesforce admin. So if you hire as a Salesforce admin, then you need to manage the security. Okay, you can say in the deep Salesforce administrator job. You can go here, Salesforce data loader. This is a tool. You need to upload the data. Okay, you need to create a rip. Okay, you need to handle the security. You need to handle the automation things. I told you the one example. If you get a record, if you save the record in Salesforce, then you automatically send a message and all. These unders come into the automation. Okay, you need what is a Salesforce developer? Okay, certifications. These are certifications. Okay, these are the certification coding. Okay, anyway, so you ask me, okay, what is a role? So suppose if you hire as a Salesforce developer, so you need to work as an admin, as a developer. Admin means what? No need to write any single line of code. If I'm talking about a development, you need to write Apex class, you need to write a trigger. Okay, it means to say just you are sometime you are giving the support to the client, sometime you are implementing the functionality. So based on the requirement, you will do. So don't worry about the what position I'm getting. Okay, once you hire as a Salesforce as a fresher or as experience, so if experience, then obviously you know that key what will be the my role in company, right? It's just you some functionality you need to develop. Okay, something you need to change, or something you need to some bug I receive from the anyone from any client, just I give to you. Okay, please resolve this one, like that. So we have a lots of responsibilities. Report you need to create, you need to handle the data loader, you need to work on the security settings. Okay, you don't know exactly what is the security setting now at this point, but yes, so these kinds of work you need to do. Responsibility mean admin means you never will write a single line of code in a company if you hire as an admin. Okay, development means you need to take care both the admin as well as development. I told you not like if you are hire as a developer, then you will not work as an admin. No, everything you need to take, you need to put, you need to do. Okay, got it? Suppose for example, you need to upload the data.
Yeah, thank you.
You need to upload the data in Salesforce, data upload. But you are a developer, and client say, please upload that 50,000 data for me in Salesforce. So data upload is just like you use the tool. Okay, so it doesn't, even you are a developer, so you cannot say, okay, I cannot do, I'm a developer. No, this is a part of your Salesforce task. So for this one, you no need to write any line of code. This is admin work, right? So you are doing admin, na? Got it my point, what I'm saying? Got it or not?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, okay. So if you are a developer, then any task you can get any task. You can create a report. Suppose I'm a client, I'm saying you please create a report. So you no need to write a code for report, right? Just to go here, click, and then you can create a report, right? So anything you can get. But if you're talking about a role, so I told you we have only two categorization, admin and development. If you go for the development, you need to write a development things, write a code. If you go for the admin, no need to write a single line of code, just to use your concept and then develop the functionals. Okay, anyone, any other person, any other one? Okay, I think question is finished. So thank you so much. Yes, please.
Yeah, I hope that all are clear. I think, okay, right.
Okay. Sorry, time is shortage, so no problem. Okay, so if someone not able to understand properly or something, like, because I agree today I have not tell you much thing related to Salesforce exactly, right? Well, related to Salesforce in the sense Salesforce technical things I not discuss today much. Just I create a developer account. After that, you need to implement the object field and all the things. So we don't have the time, so that time. But yes, whatever I tell you, I hope this is beneficial for you. How you enter in Salesforce, what type of things you need to learn, what will be the responsibilities you will work. Okay, what is the certification we have, what additions we have. So these basic things I cover, so that I hope the few people I know, I believe that you know that. Okay, but yes. So if anyone not able to understand all the things, so let's think about that. Okay, what we can do. Anyway, so I think good, right? We are good now.
Okay, thanks, Rakesh. Thanks for
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Please wait, guys. Please wait.
Okay. So can I remove? Okay.
How to
So-
get certification?
Certification, just you need to schedule the certification. Okay. You need to give the $236 for one certification. But yes, in the markets, coupons available.
No. Means
They are
today's
asking a webinar
certification.
certification, Rakesh. So
Yeah,
Acha,
webinar.
sorry.
I will explain our APT guide. After that, I will share the link. Once you fill the link clearly, within a week, you get a certificate. Okay.
Okay. Link. How to get link means in WhatsApp
Yeah,
or
sure. Give
via
me
mail?
10 minutes. Wait. I will share one video for student. Okay. Within 5 minutes, I will share. I explain the APT guide, and after that, I will share. Okay. So, can you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Hi guys, I'm Aishwarya
Yeah.
from Chennai, and I'm working in testing background. I'm a manual tester come automation tester. As I needed some help with automation training, I reached out to IRPA from AP Trainings. So he suggested me to take up the Selenium Java course, and I got a very good guidance from AP Training from Rahul and IRPA from AP. And currently I have got an offer with a 120% hike, and I definitely got the confidence and courage to move to switch to another company only after completing this training. And I would definitely suggest you guys to get into AP trainings and get yourself moved to a better career. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, thanks for watching, guys.
Thank you.
So now I'm going to explain APT guide. So we are following the 5 forces. Can you able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So we are following the 5 forces. So first one is simply learning methodology. Second one is student recall. Third one is creative explanation. Fourth one is fingertip material. And fifth one is additional bonuses. So totally per day class is 70 minutes class. So this session is there for 70 minutes class. So session for 1 is 10-minute class. That is first for yesterday class revisions and doubt clearance session. And session 2 is 20 minutes. Today's class topic should be covered by the trainer. And session 3 is 15 minutes for again the practical session. So what are the topic he teach you? So that is covered in a practical hands-on. And session 4 is again today's topics covered. And again the 10 minutes again the practice time. And sixth session is 5 minutes for recall session. So what are things the trainer teach with you? You are going to recall with the trainer. Okay, so totally 75 minutes duration for. So this is the learning pyramid. So when you are learning, you are getting the 50% of knowledge. Learning, discussion, reading, all those things, you're getting only 50% of knowledge. You teach to others, you're getting 90% of knowledge. Okay. So then a creative explanation. So e-learning, e-coaching, e-collaboration, and e-virtual. So e-learning is in an online tool where we learn that the kind of things our trainer will guide you. And the e-coaching is personal training through the personal training going into the Skype, Zoom. Okay. So collab learning, that is a chart forum kind of thing, discussion where we having, so he will explain to you more. So virtual training, that is the group training, batch wise training, and individual training, all are provided to you. And OneNotes, daily class notes and daily video recordings we will give you in OneNotes. That is the OneNotes is given access given to in a drive access given to you, so you can access the your notes, and you will download in your local system. So same things are class notes and pictorial representation and dynamic flow explanation. While the training text and notebooks we are providing the same OneNotes we are given to you. Okay. So everyday class fingertip materials. So everyday classes, video recordings, class notes, documents, softwares we are providing to you. Okay. So additional bonuses, free interview sessions and lifelong community support, job links, resume preparation help, professional certification guidance. So all those things we are providing to you, and we have a consultancy also. We are referring the jobs to our students. So average salary is in a market. So if you have fresher, you get a 4 lakh initial salary. If suppose you are what I'm saying, if you have don't know the end-to-end course knowledge, you get a minimum salary 4 lakhs. If suppose you are learn the course, you have a end-to-end knowledge, means you are getting the 70% of salary. Okay. I think trainer will explain you more.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. And one more thing, we are providing some offers for the who are attending the webinar. We are giving some the offers. So we are following the full course and flash courses. Flash course, that is the 10 hours class. Okay, full course we have the 35 hours. We are planned to that. So 30 classes, that is the 75 minutes per day. The medium is of the training is Skype and Zoom. The same flash courses of the training medium is Zoom and Skype. The training model is, it should be the maximum 5 to 10 hours. So Salesforce in a market price is 30K, full course is 30K to 25K. But now flash course, that is a 10-hour workshops, is 10K to 12K. So, but our AllPro price is for 18K for full course and flash course was 5K. This is for normally we are charging that. But one special offer introducing to you who are attending the webinar today, we give the 60% of full course offer, that is the 15K, and flash course, that is the 499. So this is will expire on 15 minutes. So who are all interested, I will send the payment link in a chat box. You will send the payment and send me the screenshot. Okay. So special bonus, a free interview session, resume preparation, lifelong community setup we are providing to you. So your special advantages is clear the queries at any time with the trainer, training at your prepared time, and recording videos we are giving to you, class notes and documents, all those things we are providing to you. The same, initially freshers, you are getting 2.5 only, 50% salaries only you are getting, but you are experience, you are having end-to-end knowledge, means you are getting 100% hike. Okay. So one small step, change your life. So I will share the payment link. Okay. Who are all interested to join the workshop, please make a payment and send me the screenshot to given number. And I will share the feedback form link. Okay. So you should fill the feedback form properly. You will get a e-certificate.
Where to see feedback link?
Yeah, I sent. Check in group, check in chat. So this is offer going to admin 15 minutes. So full course is 15K and the flash course, that is the 10 hours workshop, is 499. Are all interested? Please make a payment and send me the screenshot to given number. So if you have any doubts in that, if you have any clarifications, please reach it. My contact number given in chat box. Please contact. So this is the payment link. So once fill the form, we will end the session. Please confirm me in chat box. We will end the session. So flash course flash course is 35 hours, 60% offer, so 15K, and the workshop, that is the 10 hours workshop, 499. So once you make a payment, you share me the screenshot to give a number or 9488, that number also. This offer going to end in 15 minutes. Please fill the feedback form properly. Otherwise, you didn't get the certificate. I hope everyone filled the feedback form, right? Okay, guys. Thanks for joining. Thanks to everyone. Bye. You will get a certificate from him. Within a week, you will get a certificate. Feedback form shared. You will fill that feedback form. I already shared. Okay, thank you, guys. We will wind up. Bye. Thanks all.